Hello everyone, welcome back to the web lab programs. So in this lab we are going to discuss lab 6th one, lab 7th one, right? So what is the question? Okay, what they are given, what we have to do, okay, how to analyze what you have to do. So they are asking create a HTML form, right? In previous class I explained you HTML form, how you are creating HTML form using form tag, okay, using form and open and closing uh, form tag we are using, okay. In that we are writing the form controls, okay, for the form. That form containing one text box, right? We are writing one text box like this, okay. We are writing one text box, okay. So to enter a text in this text box, what you have to do, you have to enter text. Which type of text you are entering, we will see. So this is what the HTML code we have to design like this, okay. After that write a JavaScript code, okay. So after that what you have to do, we have to write one JavaScript code. So in that JavaScript code, what it does, that checks the content entered in form text element, okay. What it does, it checks, okay, it checks the whatever user entered, okay, entered text, okay, text, right, and enter element. If the text is entered is in lower case, suppose user has entered lowercase, you know already lowercase and uppercase, he is entered a lowercase like BCA, like entered BCA, okay, in text box. So what it does, the JavaScript code, it takes the lowercase values that convert into uppercase, right? So that is a code we have to write. So after that they are telling make use of function to uppercase, so we have to use uppercase function to convert lowercase to uppercase, right? So how to do this one, how to write JavaScript code, how to write HTML form, let us discuss, okay. So I am taking HTML page. Now this is HTML page. So this is a title, okay. What is the title here? Convert to uppercase, right? This is a, now I want to save this one on desktop, lab number 7, okay, lab number 7 dot html. Here also you have to save dot html. So you can write, you can remove this one, no problem, okay, and also remove language also, just, okay, simple things. Within a section, what you have to do, you have to write one form, okay. How to create a form, you know already, for creating a form, okay. So for that I am creating one form like this, form, then enter, form close like this. Here you can write action also, no problem, because we are not sending the any information here, okay. We are not sending information to the server, just we are converting, okay. Just you write form. In that what I am writing, some center, because I want to make it as a center, okay, center, then close it center, okay. So within that what I will do, first the browser, when you open the, or when you execute this code, that will ask the user what, enter the string, that is in string, not number, okay, string. So after that we need one text box, right? If you want to create one text box, what you need, one tag is called as input tag. From input tag we can create the radio button, text box, buttons, checkbox, okay. So what you have to do, if you want to create text box, just you have to write type double quote a text. If you are entering text, then it is called as text box, okay. So after that Then id, I'll tell you what is the use of id. Equal to id, we need one id for getting the string value for converting, right? My input, right? Then close it, input, close it. Okay, save. Now I want to execute this one. Okay, now I want to execute this one. So first go to the desktop. Okay, where the program lab 7, here. See, now it is asking, enter a string. Now you can enter Raju, Ravi, Anil, like this you can enter, right? So after that, what you will do here, okay, after, so you entered already, see here, what do you do? I want to enter now BCA, you entered BCA. So I want to convert this is in uppercase. So for that I want to write JavaScript code. Okay, so how you are writing JavaScript code? See, within a body section you have to write JavaScript code. Here also you can write, here also you can write, no problem. Wherever you can write, after HTML code you can write, before HTML code you can write within a body section. Okay, what you have to write? Just if you want to write script code, JavaScript code, so we have to write a script tag, right? Without script tag we cannot achieve JavaScript code. Okay, script tag. Then within that we have to write the functions. Okay, for the converting. What is the function? The function is a keyword. Okay, function is a keyword. I am writing the function name, that is called as upper me. That means the function name. Okay, why I will tell you why I taken upper me, because the simple thing, that is a function name. You know already JavaScript, Java function, C function, DS. So same here also the functions are same. Okay, so here you entered string. Okay, I want to access this value, right? If you want to convert this, I want to access. So if you want to access, what you have to write? A document dot get element by id, right? By id, because I return id here. Okay, because this is text box, so within the text box I return one name that is called as id. So using that id I want to access that value BCA. Okay, so what is the id here? So sorry, here after id, within a double quote you have to write this id name, copy sorry, my input is a id. So using that my input I can access the value, I can get the element by the id. Okay, so after that dot value. So now you already get access that value. I want to store that value in one another variable, that is called as str equal to. Okay, I want to tell this is a variable, okay, to the browser, so we can make it as a variable. Okay, str. Now what it does, the whatever you entered BCA here, that value stored in str. Okay, using that get element by id method I am accessing the BCA. Now I want to convert. So what they are telling, the convert method, that is to uppercase. Okay, see here, just you have to use function to uppercase. They are telling uppercase. So for that I am using, what is that, to upper, right, uppercase. To uppercase is one method that is convert to lower to upper. So after that, which you are converting, that is str. Okay, which value you are converting, str value, then dot. Okay, now you are converting str. So after converting, I want to store in another variable because I want to print that value. Okay, you can directly print, no problem, but simple things I want to use one storage variable, that is called as result. The result is a one variable. Okay, now I want to save like this, store like this, right? So after that, after converting, I want to print. Okay, you can use alert, you can use document. Okay, no problem, document. I will use both, no problem. Document dot write, document dot write. not document dot write, document dot write into bracket, string is converted to uppercase. Okay, so for that I want to write the str is what, the, for example, initial entered str, that is str, right? Then plus double quote. Okay, user friendly I am writing. Okay, string is converted to uppercase, string is converted to uppercase, right? Is uppercase is, okay, space plus, what is the result here? Result, right? Then semicolon is compulsory, then save. Okay, so here you have to close script body HTML, then save, come to the here, reload this one. Okay, now I want to enter BCA, then enter, sorry, just a minute. Okay, so I need one button because I want to perform that. Okay, so where you have to write button? Here, just I forgot. Okay, so for that you have to create button. Okay, because I want to convert, so I want to press the convert. Okay, button type is equal to what you are creating, button, right? So that is button. Okay, button. So here one thing you have to use on click. Okay, when you enter that value, after that you are clicking on click. Okay, that is calling to the that function. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, first I am writing return. What is the function here? Function, this is a function, so I want to call this one, so I am copy this one, paste here, right? Upper me. Okay, then semicolon, then here you have to close this one, then write the button name. Okay, convert me, then close the button. Okay, close the button, right? So what it does, first you have to enter the values, after value you are clicking the button. Okay, but that is convert me. When you click, that call to the upper me function. Okay, upper me function, where it is here, then calculate all these things, access the values, that convert it, then print value. Okay, save, come here, just reload it. See, now button is come. Okay, now, but there is no values. Okay, when you enter that value, that reload, then BCA. Now I want to convert. See, now BCA is converted to uppercase is BCA. Okay, just I want to write something here. This is, I want to make it as a center, right? Center. So for that we use another one tag, that is called a center. Within a JavaScript, if you are using an HTML code, you have to write like this. Okay, if you are knowing the Java code, then only you can write easily. Okay, without Java you can write also, no problem. Just the method is same, the adding two strings or appending the string after another string, like this. Okay, reload. Now I am asking my name like this. Okay, see, now the Raju is the original string that is converted to uppercase is Raju, like this. So this is what the lab 7th one. Okay, I hope this is clear to you what we have to do. Okay, how we have to create. This is a lab 7th one. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.